Hello students, welcome to the Source Code learning session on topic ordinals for subject maths for grade 1 students. Source Code, one of the leading names, helps students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. So let's start. So what is ordinals? First we will discuss what is ordinals. Anybody can say? Suppose there is three kids. They are doing the competition, race competition, running competition. So suppose she is Sheetal. He is Sheetal. Sheetal. He is Hari. And he is Sam. So there is three kids, Sheetal, Hari and Sam. They are doing the running competition. So Hari comes in a first position and Sheetal comes in a second position and Sam comes in a third position. So this is called the ordinals, like this first, this second and this third. This is called the ordinals. What is? So what is ordinals? So Hari comes in a first position, Sheetal comes in a second position, and Sam comes in a third position. So these positions are called the ordinals. Let's see. Let's see the next slide. Ordinals. An ordinal number is a number that tells the position of something in a list, such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So the number is a number that tells the position of something. Suppose you are standing in a queue. So in that queue, where you are standing, that position, the ordinals defined. Got it? Let's see the next slide that it will makes you more clear. So this is a toy train. As you can see, in a first box there is a giraffe, second box there is a tiger, third one there is a elephant, fourth there is a crocodile, fifth there is a lion, sixth giraffe and seventh who is there? Monkey. So how will you define in a first place? So in a first box giraffe is there. So we will define in the first place. Suppose you ask someone in a first place what is there, which animal is there. So you can identify easily giraffe is in the first place. Got my point? So in a second place tiger is there, third place elephant is there, fourth place crocodile is there, fifth place lion is there, sixth place uh, zebra is there, and seventh place monkey is there. So in a queue now you can identify in which place which animal is there. Now see the next slide. How to write the ordinals. So this is the way we write the ordinals. So This is the way to write the ordinals, like ordinal number in words. First, first, second, third, fourth, means a person, suppose in a list something in a first place, so we'll write it like this: 1 and then st. So this is first place, then second place, then third, then for fourth, 4, then th, for fifth, 5, then th, for sixth, 6, then th. So this is the way to write the ordinals. Like for first, st is there. For second, nd is there. For third, rd is there. But from fourth onwards, for from fourth onwards, it will be th only. So this is how will you write the ordinals. And in words, as you can see, first place, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, up to 20, it's given over here. I hope you understand how to write the ordinal in words. Next is, now this is your textbook exercise. There is a queue, there is a toy train. Just before I showed you one example. Similarly here, there is a toy train. Now the question is given you, camel is the dash animal. Where is the camel? Camel is in the first box. So camel is the first animal. Is it? Camel is in the first place, first position. That's why camel is in the first animal. Got it? Now see the next, lion. Where is the lion? Lion is in the third position. Is it? Lion is in the third position. Monkey. Where is the monkey? Monkey is in the ninth position. See the cue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Monkey is in the ninth position. So this is the way the ordinals help us to find the position. Now see the next question. Name the animal between the third and fifth compartments. In third and fifth compartments, we need to write the animal name. So in third compartment, who is there? Lion. And in fifth compartment, who is there? Goat is there. Got it? Name the animals next to the giraffe compartment. Where is the giraffe? After giraffe, next to the giraffe compartment, goat. Goat is there. So like this, you need to do this exercise. Let's go to the next exercise. Next question. Color the pictures as stated below. Start counting from the left. From left side, you need to start counting. Okay, and you need to color the picture. So first is what? Color the second and the ninth circle blue. So first we will count. This is first, then this is second. Like this is first, this is second, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, 9. Total 9 circle we have. So what is written over in what is written in the question? We need to do the coloring for second and ninth one. So this one will be the second one, is it? And this one will be the ninth one. Got it? Now see the next is color the third and the 8 balls brown. So similarly we need to do. First we will count total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there. So we need to color the third one. This one is the third one and eighth one. So 1, 2, 3. This one is the third one, eighth one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one. So these two we need to color. This color and this two. Like this you need to do this also. Okay. I hope you understand this ordinance. That's it for today. Bye bye. Have a nice day.